Hi everybody! Our online CSL gatherings have been so successful that we have a new class for you in the GoToMeeting online format. The new class is called It's All God and will be for 8 weeks on Wednesday evening beginning September 16th and going through November 4th, 6:30 to 8 o'clock. In order to attend this class, please email me at jsoll4520@gmail.com and I'll email you more information about the class and about the book that you'll need and the GoToMeeting format. It should be easy to attend, fun, and hopefully enlightening. This is an accredited class and will cost only $65 for those who are seeking credit to become a practitioner. For all others, it's a love donation basis for CSL and would be greatly appreciated. I hope you can join me for this new and exciting class, and I look forward to seeing you and hearing from you. Be at peace. Talk with you later. Bye.